Welcome back to Asia Kitchen. Today we are looking at San Shoku Don, or 3-colored rice in English. Let's go! Start by cutting up green beans and blanching them. Then dice up the spring onion nice and fine. Slicing lengthways and then horizontally makes it easy. Then diagonally slice the blanched beans. Yum! Pop your spring onion into the pan and saute them off. Add in the mince and mix. Brown it off and salty soy sauce thyme and mirin as well. Little bit of sake. Give it a mix until all the liquid has evaporated. And now set aside. Time to make our eggs. Add in a little sugar. Lovely. Whisk everything up into the pan and make scrambled eggs to your liking. And now set aside. Time to season the green beans. Add in the Bonito Flakes and soy sauce and mix. Time to plate up. On one side, put your meat. Make sure you cover up all of the white rice. And on the other side, place the eggs. Again covering up all the exposed rice. Time for the beans. Do your best to add them down the middle easily. Then to finish everything off, garnish with red ginger pickles. Go out the frame and down. Itadakimasu. This is a classic when it comes to bento boxes. It's so colorful. If you want to reduce the amount of fat in this dish, try using chicken or turkey mince. The pork beef mix I used felt a little heavy. I'm gonna go finish this. Bye.